invent in the store.
Can I look at it?
Like, who's going first?
Hits you, you eat a cockroach.
What? Hey. Yeah. Chronic.
Who's going first?
There's 2 other ones in there. Longer straw.
Who's up first?
Me.
Who's going first?
She is.
Liz is going first?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Number 1. Let's go.
Okay,
so
Liz.
good.
What do you got?
Rip it open, Liz. What do you got?
Oh my god.
Yeah, me. Oh yeah, it's the good one.
Oh my god.
Hey, you better grab it before it runs away.
Liz, get to eat, Liz. Come on.
Come on.
Come on, Liz. Look at her, she's shaking.
Grab that little bastard.
Come on, Liz.
Hey, just dump it in there.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh my god, look at it.
You want me to grab it for you?
Oh my god.
Just chew it and take it. Yeah, just chew it up. And
Okay, come on, Liz. You can
gotta
do it.
kill it,
You do it.
Go, girl.
Otherwise, it's gonna
For the
tear
shirt.
your stomach.
For the shirt.
You gotta shoot it.
Okay. It's for sure.
Eat it, Liz. Go, Liz.
No fucking way.
Swallow, come on, swallow.
Drink it, Tom. Drink down. Drink it down. Drink it down.
You know what you taste bad. Got it. You're laughing your ass off.
Wow, it's a thing. People get paid like $1 million to eat that.
Oh, yeah!
It tastes like it.
Oh god, it was nasty.